What if you could use artificial intelligence to make smarter investment decisions, even as a beginner? Welcome to the future of investing, where AI tools are changing the game. From analyzing market trends to spotting hidden opportunities, AI is helping everyday people invest with more confidence and less guesswork. But how do you actually use it? What platforms can you trust? And how much control should you give to the machine? In this beginner's guide, we're breaking down exactly how to harness the power of AI for smarter, more informed investing, no tech degree required. Today, we will talk about Beginner's Guide, how to use AI for smarter investing. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, constantly monitors the markets, and gives you suggestions based on real-time data, all while removing emotional bias from your investment decisions. That's what artificial intelligence is doing for investors right now. Whether you're a total beginner or someone just looking to sharpen your strategy, today we'll break down how AI is changing the way we invest and how you can use it to make smarter decisions. This is your complete beginner's guide to AI-powered investing. 1. What is AI in investing? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human input. In the world of investing, this means AI tools can study stock prices, news headlines, earnings reports, and even social media trends to help you decide when to buy or sell. Some AI platforms also learn from past decisions, improving their accuracy over time. Think of it as having a virtual analyst that works 24/7 to boost your chances of success. 2. Why beginners should pay attention to AI. Traditionally, investing required deep financial knowledge, constant market monitoring, and the ability to interpret complex data. But AI is leveling the playing field. Today, even beginners can access intelligent investing tools that were once reserved for large hedge funds. These platforms can help you build a diversified portfolio, suggest stock picks, and even automate your trades. Best of all, they eliminate emotional decision-making, a common trap for new investors. 3. How AI analyzes the market. AI doesn't guess. It uses algorithms to scan massive amounts of data, from price movements and volume changes to financial statements and economic indicators. Some advanced systems even analyze natural language from news articles, tweets, and corporate announcements. This ability to digest both numbers and language helps AI form a complete picture of market sentiment, which can be a valuable edge in fast-moving markets. For you, that means getting insights faster and with more clarity. 4. Using robo-advisors for automated investing. One of the easiest ways for beginners to start using AI is through robo-advisors. These are digital platforms that use algorithms to manage your portfolio automatically. When you sign up, you answer questions about your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Then the AI builds a custom investment plan for you. It will automatically rebalance your portfolio, reinvest dividends, and adjust your strategy over time. Examples of popular robo-advisors include Betterment, Wealthfront, and Sophie. 5. AI-powered stock screeners. If you prefer picking individual stocks, AI-powered stock screeners can help. These tools use machine learning to find stocks based on criteria like valuation, momentum, earnings growth, or technical patterns. They don't just scan a few filters. They look at hundreds of variables and past performance trends. Some even predict future movement based on past behavior. This saves you hours of research and helps you focus only on the stocks that meet your strategy. STIX, sentiment analysis. What people are saying matters. AI doesn't just look at numbers, it also reads what people are saying. Sentiment analysis tools track news articles, social media posts, and earnings calls to gauge the mood around certain companies. If AI detects that sentiment is turning negative on a stock you hold, it can alert you before the price drops. Likewise, if the buzz is building around a new tech company, you might be able to invest before the hype hits the mainstream. This insight can give you a serious advantage. 7. Predictive analytics and price forecasting. One of the most exciting features of AI is predictive analytics. These systems can forecast where a stock might go based on historical patterns, current trends, and similar past scenarios. While no prediction is ever 100% accurate, AI often gets much closer than traditional methods. Some platforms provide a confidence score or probability rating to help you understand how reliable the prediction might be. This makes it easier to make informed decisions, even if you're new to investing. 8. Using chatbots for financial advice. Believe it or not, some financial chatbots are now powered by AI to offer tailored advice. These tools can answer basic investment questions, recommend portfolios, and help you understand risk, all in plain English. While they're not a substitute for a human financial advisor, they can be incredibly useful for learning the ropes. If you're nervous about starting, a chatbot can walk you through the basics without judgment or pressure. 9. Emotionless investing, the AI advantage. One of the biggest reasons people lose money in the market is emotion. Fear, greed, and impatience lead to bad decisions like panic selling during a crash or chasing a hot stock without research. AI doesn't suffer from this, it sticks to the data. By following an AI-powered strategy, you remove emotional bias from your investing. This discipline can help you stay focused on long-term goals rather than short-term noise. 10. How to get started with AI investing. If you're ready to try AI for smarter investing, here's how to start. Choose a trusted robo-advisor if you want hands-off investing. Use an AI-powered stock screener if you prefer choosing individual stocks. Try out sentiment analysis tools to see what the market is thinking. Consider using an AI-based app or chatbot to learn and get advice. Start small. Use a demo account or invest a small amount while you learn. Most platforms are user-friendly and designed with beginners in mind. You don't need to be a tech expert or a financial guru to get started. 11. Risks of relying on AI too much. While AI is powerful, it's not perfect. Sometimes it makes decisions based on flawed data or unexpected events. AI also struggles with black swan situations, sudden, unpredictable events like pandemics or geopolitical crises. That's why it's important to use AI as a tool, not a crutch. Always do your own research and understand the basics of investing. Combine AI insights with your own judgment for best results. 12. Real-world success stories. AI is already being used by top investment firms like BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and Renaissance Technologies. These firms manage billions, and sometimes trillions, of dollars using AI-driven strategies. Even individual investors are seeing success. Many beginners who started with robo-advisors have reported consistent returns with less stress. 13. The future of AI in investing. As AI technology evolves, it's going to get even smarter. We'll likely see more personalized investing, real-time risk analysis, and AI advisors that can answer deeper questions. Some platforms may even create investment strategies based on your lifestyle, job outlook, or global trends. And as machine learning improves, predictions will get more accurate. In the future, AI could become an essential part of every investor's toolkit, just like a calculator or trading app. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to help you. For beginners, it can reduce the complexity of investing and provide a roadmap to smart decisions. Whether you want to grow your savings, invest for retirement, or just understand the market better, AI offers tools that are smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever before. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be curious and willing to learn. And with AI by your side, your investing journey just got a lot easier. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.